Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Back again with the BTC and Ethereum analysis. Going on to monthly, we can clearly see impulse and retracement. Definitely, this impulse should be bigger. Looking at the history as well, it won't be just here, up to here. So it has to go bigger. But looking at and weekly, it has broken this closing candles 104. So the previous week. So and this week seems undecisive. It hasn't closed yet, but it seems undecisive. And in daily, we had two candles close about this previous. In fact, we have good movement and one candle close about this previous high in daily. And we had a bearish engulfing. So if this level is not broken, this area, maybe could be a liquidity sweep around there, then we should be okay and the market can reverse from here. However, if this is broken, then we'll look targets to the downside, which are around around this area, and further, if even this is broken, then around here. But looking at it, currently we should expect move to the upside if this area is not broken. That's the daily situation, and let's draw a trend line. So I would prefer this trend line is not broken with strong candle. If it is, it might be a liquidity sweep, then might close up to the upside. Let's further explore it. The way the market is moving, W pattern, we could expect correction of this W pattern, but the market was such a bullish. It broke even this level. So I would most likely see the movement to the upside. Let's see what's happening in 4 hours. Currently, we have this level. It's respecting this level, but we have more clear picture in daily. So and weekly. So I would expect market not to fall around this level from this level. Although trend line trend line can confirm this as well. So this is a crucial area. So we may see liquidity sweep around this area, then move to the upside. But let's see. Nothing is perfect. No. Okay. So that's nothing much in it. We just wait and see how the market moves, and then we can react according to the situation. At the moment, there is no such thing because previously we've seen in weekly as well that there's a huge movement of upside, movement to the upside, and this area was not respected, and the market broke this level and this level as well. So it's definitely movement to the upside. And psychologically, if you look at, we should respect this 100,000 level as well. So this level shouldn't be broken. Even the market make a fake move to the downside. This area shouldn't be broken. But that, although trend line may be broken, but this area is very crucial. Maybe break into the trend line and then back to the upside. This is how the market runs, guys. Unfortunately, it's not that easy. So we have to do our hard work, chart analysis, and look at different patterns. That's BTC. And now going on to Ethereum, see what's happening Ethereum. Monthly, we can see that this is the area which need to be broken to the go to the upside. Monthly top areas it's a kind of a rectangle because previously we are at this level. And in daily, this channel was broken, and also this we are at this level as well. Now, if we see a good bearish sign towards this side, down this line, we may see rejection to the downside. We have this level here and this level here. That's, as you can see, forward demand area as well. So let's say that's for the Ethereum. Let me delete all this. And also the Ethereum will go with hand in hand with BTC. So if there's a crash in BTC, we'll definitely see some crash in Ethereum as well. But and if the BTC move to the upside, we may see the move to the upside in Ethereum as well. It's from the point where it stands. It doesn't have to come down then. As you can see here previously, that's what's been happening here. Look, here, and then now similar structure around here is a bit bigger. We can see move to the upside and using different strategies like EMS and RSI. We can see what's happening here. See, even the RS moving averages are confused, and in different time frame you can check that. So we should see some good pattern before we can move to see movement to the upside. These in daily 12-hour and daily as well. The moving averages are just is coming close to each other, and because we had a huge movement here. So also one more thing, you notice this double top and daily as well. So if market comes around there, then we definitely can see move to the upside. And one more thing, have you noticed this divergence in daily? So that divergence, RSI divergence, means something. So it's possible, quite possible, this level and then this level. So how to trade it? The best thing is not trade at the moment. However, in smaller time frame, you definitely can trade. But if you want to take a longer swing trading, probably it's not a better situation at the moment. So you have to wait and see with the BTC price as well, how it moves. I hope this is useful and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.